Have you ever had something break down and didn't know how to ask for help in English?
Maybe your phone stopped working or your washing machine broke and you froze.
Don't worry, today's podcast will help you ask for help and talk about repairs confidently in English.
Stay with us till the end and you'll never feel stuck again when something needs fixing. Hey, Sarah, you look a bit stressed. What happened?
Oh, Alex, my washing machine just stopped working this morning.
Oh no, that's the worst. Did you try to fix it yourself?
I did, but it just made weird noises. I think I need to call a repair person.
Good idea. How do you usually explain the problem in English?
I'd say something like, "Hi, my washing machine isn't working properly. Could you please check it?"
That's perfect. Simple and clear.
Yeah, I always try to describe what's wrong. Like, it's making a strange sound.
Exactly. Giving details helps the technician understand the issue faster.
What about you, Alex? Have you had anything break recently?
Yes, my laptop charger stopped working last week.
Oh, that's annoying. How did you get it fixed?
I went to an electronics repair shop and said, "My laptop charger isn't charging properly. Can you take a look?"
Nice. That's a polite and professional way to ask for help.
Yeah, and the repairman said, "Let me check it for you."
Did he fix it?
Yes, it was just a loose wire. He repaired it in 10 minutes.
That's great. I wish my washing machine was that easy to fix.
What did you say when you called the repair center?
I said, "Hi, I'd like to schedule a service appointment for my washing machine."
That's a perfect sentence. It sounds professional and polite.
Yes, and then they asked for my address and preferred time.
That's common. You can say, "I'm available after 6 p.m. today."
Exactly. It's important to be specific about time.
What if someone's phone breaks? How should they explain it?
They can say, "My phone screen is cracked," or "My phone isn't turning on."
Great examples. And if it's a software issue, you can say, "My apps keep crashing."
Yes, or "The battery drains very fast."
Right. These phrases are really helpful when visiting a repair shop.
Do you know how to ask for help from a friend instead of a repairman?
Sure, you can say, "Hey, can you help me fix this?"
Or, "Could you take a look at this? It's not working."
That's polite and friendly.
And if the person agrees, you can say, "Thanks a lot. I really appreciate your help."
Politeness always helps in English.
Definitely. It makes communication smoother.
What about when something breaks at home, like a light bulb or fan?
You can say, "The light isn't working," or "The fan stopped working suddenly."
And to call maintenance, you could say, "Could you please send someone to fix it?"
Yes, that's exactly what I'd say if I lived in an apartment.
What if the repair person comes and you want to explain what happened?
You could say, "It was working fine yesterday, but it stopped this morning."
That's clear and easy to understand.
Or, "I heard a strange noise before it stopped."
Yes, describing what happened helps them find the problem faster.
And if they need to take the item away, you can ask, "How long will the repair take?"
That's a very useful question.
And don't forget to ask, "How much will it cost?"
Of course, it's important to know the price before repair.
You can also say, "Do you offer a warranty for the repair?"
Smart question. That way you're covered if it breaks again.
I like to be polite and say, "Thank you for your help," before leaving.
Good manners always leave a good impression.
What if something happens while you're traveling abroad and you need help?
You could say, "Excuse me, can you help me? My suitcase lock is jammed.
Or you can say, I need help fixing my camera. Is there a repair shop nearby?
Those are perfect travel-related examples.
And if you're talking to hotel staff, you can say, the air conditioner in my room isn't working.
That's right, and they'll probably reply, we'll send someone to fix it right away.
English for repair situations is really practical, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's everyday English we all need.
Even phrases like, it's not turning on or it's leaking are so useful.
Yes, and also it's making a loud noise.
Or it's not charging properly.
Right. These short, clear phrases are powerful.
What if you want to thank someone after they help you fix something?
You can say, thanks so much for your help, or you saved my day,
That's a fun one. You saved my day sounds cheerful.
or I couldn't have done it without you.
That's polite and shows gratitude.
And if the repair person does a great job, say, you did an excellent job. Thank you.
Yes, appreciation motivates people.
Exactly. And it helps you sound friendly and confident.
You know, Alex, sometimes people are shy to ask for help in English.
True, but it's okay to ask. You can always start with, excuse me.
That's right. Excuse me, could you help me is polite and easy to say.
And if they say yes, you can explain what's wrong calmly.
Step by step, no stress.
So, Sarah, did your washing machine get fixed finally?
Yes, it did. The repairman replaced a small part.
That's great news.
I learned so many repair-related phrases today.
Me too, and I hope our listeners did as well.
Remember, everyone, don't panic when something breaks. Just use English confidently.
Exactly. Ask for help politely, describe the problem clearly, and you'll be fine.
If you like this conversation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
And join us next time for more real-life English conversations.
See you in the next episode.